Hi, I'm Hazley Cush from Living Here, and this is your February Landlord update. We rented 57 properties for the month. 36 of those were under $500 a week, 19 between $500 and $1,000, and 2 over $1,000 a week. Now, year on year, 57 properties is down on the previous year, and there's two things that are putting downward pressure on the number of rentals. One is 17,000 students didn't turn up to school in Brisbane because of the coronavirus coming out of China, and that's placed a little bit of pressure on that sub $500 a week market. The high end of the market, what's putting pressure on that, is the sales market has really come to life. And we're seeing lots more interest for sales in 2020 than we saw in 2019. Which is going to see an uplift, we believe, in prices through the 2020 year. And that should progress, except for any of these macro issues that could have an issue to the market. But if things progress in a straight line from where they should be now, we should expect capital growth through the Brisbane market, which has been either negative or pretty flat line for the last decade. So for those of you looking for an update in the value of your investment property, please reach out to your property manager and we will get the best agent in the region to have a look at it for you. I want to point out that thanks for your support since our fire on the 21st of December. We've reallocated everybody down to our Arthur Street premises at Tenerife. And that's 20 property managers working out of an allocation of space that should really only take about 10. They've been doing that for 60 days and sharing one bathroom, sharing one kitchen, and it just can create difficult working environments. And I know that a number of you have been really patient with our team, and we're really grateful for that. We're trying to make sure that the standard of work stays as high as it always is, but there are some pressures that are happening to those teams. So a big thanks to our team for putting up with those conditions and for you and supporting us through that. And we should have a new location announced hopefully in the next couple of weeks. This part of the market that's attracting buyers in the market is also attracting some existing tenants to go and purchase properties, which means that we're seeing a higher number of break leases than we have seen in recent times. So tenants who are renting have decided that now's the time to go and buy, and they're buying properties and they're trying to break their leases. And it's just a good reminder. We manage that process for you. It can be quite a gritty process, but it's really where landlord insurance comes back into favour, and it's just so important that every one of our properties that you have adequate landlord insurance. So you need building insurance for your properties, but you also need landlord insurance. And if you aren't sure or you haven't got it, please reach out to your property manager, ensure that your insurance is up to date, because we do think this will start to see an uplift over the coming months as that sales market starts to continue. Thanks again for your support, and I'll talk to you next month.